How to create polls on WhatsApp in the latest version of 2022. I'm recording this video on May 4. So let's see. Simply open your WhatsApp app. Now there are two things you can do. Now to create a personal poll, you have to select the person's profile. So this is how you can do it. Or if you want to create a poll for group, so we will show you we will show you how to create group polls on WhatsApp. So simply tap on this, tap on the group. Now tap on this clip like icon from the bottom. Now tap on polls, and here you have to ask a question. Now simply I have to write a question. So as you can see, I have written my question. I have add the options for the voting option. So there is not good dead increase. Now you can allow multiple answer. You can turn this on and off, so people can vote multiple times. So do this and simply tap on send. So this is a poll which is sent it. Now anyone can answer this poll, and similarly you can do for a person particularly. So tap on the person. Now here tap on clip like icon, tap on polls, add your question, add your options, and just simply send it. So this is how you can create polls on WhatsApp.